Aloha creatives, happy Friday, and I just wanted to check in with you here quickly and give you an update about what's been going on with the Telesummit. This past week had two awesome calls. On Monday I was speaking with Bob Doyle, and that was super fabulous, and then Wednesday I was speaking with Samantha Bennett, and both of those calls were super awesome, super fun, laughed a lot, and got some big insights into marketing and creativity and personal transformation for sure. So I hope you will listen to those replays or buy the MP3s or the CDs or whatever, but it's good stuff. Just wanted to let you know. And this coming week on Monday, I'm going to be interviewing Rachel Hamilton and about unscrunching yourself. She's an improv expert, and that should be really awesome, I'm sure. And then Wednesday, I'm going to be speaking with Wendy Young, who's an artist, and she has a program called Awakening the Artist, and that's going to be great too, for sure. So these calls are all really super awesome. They're all so different, but there are so many different facets to creativity that I really love that, and I just wanted to, turn that finger around to all of you guys, because everybody, everywhere is a creative for sure, and so we're just wanting to really rock that creative boat and get things going for you. So on that note, I hope you have an awesome, fun weekend, and we will check in with you again soon. Ciao for now.